Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can add next calendar event widget to lock screen. So to get started, first of all we'll have to lock our screen in order to add next calendar event on your widget to our lock screen. So once you lock the screen and when you are on your lock screen, go ahead and just tap on your empty area of your screen. So once you click the empty area, go ahead and tap on customize and again click on the lock screen, and here you can see add widgets. Now here you can add different widgets. Go ahead and tap on calendar. Now here you can see next event. Click on it and drag the widget. Once you're okay with the result, go back and tap on the empty area again. So once you are done, you are good to go. So yeah guys, this is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.